All right, our next order of business is to take a plateau pressure. You can see right now plateau is just sitting there at, with 3 asterisks after it because we don't have an inspiratory hold on. So we can go to maneuvers and do static measurements and do an inspiratory hold. And when we do the inspiratory hold, you'll notice it says tap and hold to activate. So I'm just going to hold it. You'll notice nothing's happening. There we go. You can see we got a plateau, and it should have given us a plateau. I didn't see it. Let's try it again. Okay. You can see it went to 15, and because I did both, so it went to 15 here, so we can see our pit to our plat is only a difference of 1 centimeter water pressure. But when we do both of these together, it ends up doing an auto peak measurement, static measurement, resistance, both inspiratory and expiratory. Also does a time constant measurement. So it gives us a lot of information. So when we want to do those maneuvers, remember maneuver, static measurements, do an inspiratory hold, will give us our plateau pressure there. But if we do an expiratory hold, it gives us the whole raft of information as well. Okay? So that's where we start this. So notice our plateau right now was 15. What will happen when we take care of the next order? The next order is to decrease the tidal volume to 400. When might we do this? Well, let's say this doesn't apply in this case. Our pressures are very low at 16, but it would be common to decrease our tidal volume when our pressures are too high. As you'll see, our pressure right now is 16. Our plateau is 15. Watch what happens when I hit accept here for my tidal volume. Because we're pushing less volume in, and volume and pressure are directly related, notice my peak pressure went down from 16 to 15. Okay, it's only a change of 50 mils, but 50 mils was enough to reduce my peak inspiratory pressure by 1. What's going to happen when I do an inspiratory hold? Okay, wait for the next breath. There we go. And notice our plateau is 14. So as pressure goes down and everything else being, as volume goes down, with everything else being the same, pressures will also go down. That's always the case. If the lung becomes less compliant, when the overall pressures go up, but the same relation still occurs. When we turn down volume, pressures will go down. We turn up volume, pressures will go up.